One thing I've always said is I would not teach myself the Quran, because I noticed one thing when I was listening, and then before I could read Arabic, when I listened and then what I was saying were totally different. Then when I started reading Arabic, and then I would read along to what the reciter was saying, I noticed that what I heard originally was totally different. And then the Quran has different rules regarding to recitation. So I've always said that I will get a teacher. So this is absolutely amazing. When I came across this institute, Irtika Institute, you can learn Quran in person via Zoom. So they actually listen to you. You can book a free trial class and then take your lesson, and the classes are really good. I started my lessons on here, and so far I absolutely love it. Because I know how to read Arabic, I'm in the class where people already know how to read Arabic. So I'm reading. So what's being taught is proper pronunciation, things like shadda and other Quran rules that are not necessarily in everyday Arabic speaking. So I log into my class, and then there's a teacher who listens to me read, and then she starts correcting me. They have male teachers and female teachers. I'm in the female teacher class, and these are their prices. You get a 30-minute class, 45-minute classes, and they have a different pricing for those. And then there's also the 1 hour class. You can see the prices differ depending on which class you choose. And then the currency, Canadian dollars, and this Australian dollar, I assume, and the British pound. So you choose whichever currency. I'm currently in England, so this is my pricing. And then it's £60 a month for 2 days a week, and I've chosen the hour sessions. So if I go to the 30-minute class, that's the price for 30 minutes, 2 days a week. So I've started these, and they're absolutely amazing. Some of these things seem simple, but they're not so simple. So having a teacher via Zoom who actually talks you through the whole experience. These teachers are based in Egypt. So, you can have one-on-one classes there if you want. And they have some group classes, I think. They might do. Anyway, I can't see the group classes here. But you can do the one-to-one classes. You can ask for group classes if they come cheaper. But it's absolutely amazing. And the one-to-one classes are amazing because it's custom-made to you. You don't even need to delay learning Quran anymore because you don't have a teacher in person. You can do it online if you don't have the option of in-person teachers because of distance, and also in-person teachers sometimes they're too far, or it's just not practical because people learn at different times, and because of work schedules, school schedules, or anything else, it can be a bit tricky. But yeah, it's absolutely amazing. And then after that, like for me, I have homework to practice my surahs, and then when I go back to my class, I'm going to be reading them again to my teacher and then work from there. I'm doing the Juz Amma memorization program, which I chose, and that's what I'm working on. So go on this website, sign up, and start your learning Arabic and Quran classes. They also have some for absolute beginners. They are there somewhere. Absolute beginners, those who don't know how to read. Yeah, like this one. If you don't even know the alphabet, you can start from there. And then this one, let's see. Okay, this one is for those who know how to read but are not fluent. This is me. This is where I come in. This is the lesson that will be perfect for me. Okay. And this is the one I'm doing because I can read already. But if you don't know how to read the alphabet, you can also have a class, this one. You can view the details. And everything is on this website. Just go there, browse, see which category you fit in, and then sign up. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.